One of the many great features on this boat is this convertible lounge system. We've also got a built-in cell charger right here. Got another one on the dash. But the versatility here is just incredible. You can put these backrests in lounging forward or lounging aft positions. You can go all the way down flat with both of them, make a huge sunning bed. Notice the drink holders, glove box, lots of great features on here. Even a nice place here to put your paper towel. Coming forward, you got some great captain's chairs for the captain and the companion. Huge Simrad screen for your navigation and control system. JL audio. Look at this U shape in the front of the boat. You can actually remove that center section if you want and have a conventional entry door there. All comes with it. Table is removable, so you can put it wherever you want. As with all of our Tritoons, we have storage in the floor, which is a great feature on the Tritoon boat, in addition to the great performance. This is just one of our many offerings here at MarineMax in Houston. I'm Paul. Come see us. We'll be glad to take care of you.